Hello, I'm in a 2016 Buick Encore, and today I'm going to show you how to change your time and date for your display. So first, make sure your vehicle's all turned on, which this is. And then we're going to use this configuration button. So I'll push that, and then we'll scroll down to time and date, and then press this to enter. And then here you can scroll to which option you want, whether it's time, date, or if you want to switch from 12 to 24 hours for your display. So under time, let's say we want to do that, we'll push enter. And then here you can go up or down for your hours. Enter goes to the next one, and then your minutes up or down, AM or PM. And then when you have it all the way you want, you can just go back and it just auto updates and saves everything. And then same thing for date, up or down until you get to what you want. And then back again. And then 12, 24 hour just looks like this. But I hope all this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.